Let's learn shape's name.
Which shape is this?
This is square.
Which shape is this?
This is circle.
Which shape is this?
This is triangle.
Which shape is this?
This shape is rectangle.
Which shape is this?
This shape is diamond.
Which shape is this?
This shape is heart.
Which shape is this?
This shape is pentagon.
Which shape is this?
This shape is hexagon.